Purvesh and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do subscribe and watch this video till the end so you will get more information regarding clinical rotations in the United States. The rotations are very important if you want to pursue your post-graduation in the United States. There are two kind of rotations. First is hands-on and another one is observership. So hands-on rotations are important if you still in medical school, or if you still in medical school or doing MBBS, then you can go for hands-on rotation. Once you graduated from the medical school, then you have to go with the observership. Okay, and hands-on rotations are having a little more value than the observership, so make sure you are going for hands-on. And ideal time for rotation is about 3 months. 3 months rotation is enough. And now a lot of students are asking me the questions that it is important for matching. I would like to say yes, this is very important. And it is like house with furniture looks beautiful, right? So how is your step score? Your step score should be high, and furniture is your rotations and like your research articles. So now let's move on to the main question, that how to apply for rotation. There are two ways to apply. First is a university way and another one is direct organization. Okay, so first let's talk about university ways. So there are few universities who provides the rotations in the United States. First I am talking about the Harvard Medical School. The cost of the rotation is very high. It's like around $5,000, 5,000 US dollar. It is very high and their expectations are very high, so it is difficult to get LOR from Harvard. So next is Florida International University, and they are also providing very good rotations and the cost is around 3,000 US dollar. And the third is Weill Cornell, which is located in New York, and they are also charging around 3,000 US dollar. So rotations with these universities are really good. You can go for it. You can get all the details from the website of these universities. I will put all the website in the description box. You can click and you can get information regarding it. Let's talk about the private organizations who are arranging rotations for the international students. So there are like ACE, American Clinical Experience, AMO Opportunities, USMLE Sarthi, and some American Clerkship, something like that. So you can go with this. Actually I did my rotations with American Clinical Experience in New York, and which was very good. You can go for it. You can directly search on Google, fill a short application form, and after that they will contact you, right? And AMO Opportunities are also providing very good rotations, but please make sure and check refund policies before you apply, in case if your visa get rejected. So now let's talk about the cost of these rotations with these two. So it's around 2,000 to 2,500 US dollar with AMO Opportunities and ACE for the hands-on rotation. And if you are going for observership, it will be around 2,000 US dollar, right? So this is average cost for this. And now let's talk about the USMLE Sarthi. They are providing little cheap rotations in $1,000 to 1,500. For that you have to make a good CV and send it to them. After that they will review your CV or resume, and then they will give you the reply according to that. So all these ways are very easy way which I am telling you. After that you will get invitation letter from particular places, and you have to go for visa, and after getting B1 B2 visa you can fly to the US and you can finish your rotations. And make sure you perform well during the rotation and get good LOR. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos, and follow me on Instagram if you have any questions. Dr Purvesh 8097. Thank you.